welcome back to my channel. And if you are visiting this space for the first time, you are also highly welcome. In this lecture, I'll be looking at the reason why the testis is located outside the body. There is a reason behind this placement, and this is what this lecture will be unfolding. Look at the general configuration of the body before we dive into establishing the basis behind the location of the testis outside the body. Using this image by the side here, this is where we have the abdominal cavity, and below the abdominal cavity is where we have the pelvic cavity. Outside the pelvic cavity is where we have the location of the testis, although located within the scrotum. If you look at this image, outside the pelvic cavity is where we have the scrotal sac, and this is what is here in yellow. The scrotal sac is a dual chambered sac that is located outside the body around the pelvic region. And this sac is seen to accommodate the testis. And this is what is harrowed here in red. So you have the testis located within the scrotal sac, of course, located outside the body around the pelvic region. The reason behind the testis located outside the body is for thermoregulation. We know that one of the functions that the testis exhibit is the production of sperm cells through the process of spermatogenesis. The process of spermatogenesis cannot occur under body's temperature, but can only occur at a temperature that is lower than the body. And the reason why it is located outside the body is for it to be able to assume this temperature. So if the testis is located within the body, the process of spermatogenesis will not be able to occur because spermatogenesis cannot occur under body's temperature, but only under a temperature that is lower than that of the body. This placement around the pelvic cavity, which of course is located outside the body space, is where this temperature can be achieved. The scrotum, we say that it is a dual chambered sac that is made up of a number of layers to act as a protective coat for the testis. We know that the testis is a very delicate organ and of course needs to be protected. Even though it is located outside the body, it also needs a form of protection. And this is why you see it enclosed by this dual chambered sac that is referred to as a scrotum. Structurally, the scrotum is made up of a number of layers, and these layers are seen to further provide a cooler environment for the testis. This is also to enhance the process of spermatogenesis. So you now know that the testis is located outside the body based on the fact that the process of spermatogenesis needs to occur at a temperature that is lower than that of the body. And it is around this space that this would be achieved. So thanks for watching this video. Let's continue to stay glued to this channel.